Yo, what am I doing wrong?
Right now,
I'm leaving.
Handcuffs. Get your.
What am I doing wrong?
Give me your ID.
Can you tell me what I'm doing wrong?
Let's do it that way.
I'm not resisting your arrest.
I'll bust you right now.
Dude,
put your
you're threatening me on fucking camera.
That's right. Put your hand behind your back.
Me like that earlier today.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, let's go outside.
No. You're gonna put your hand behind your back.
Hey,
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
You punch me in the fucking face. Yo, chill the fuck out. Chill the fuck out. Chill the fuck out. What the fuck is wrong with you? You piece of fucking shit. You piece of shit.
Hand behind your back.
What you want me to? Within my rights. You piece of shit. Yes. Stop. You're beating my ass for no fucking reason.
8530 East Broadway in the men's room. Can you start a unit?
Yo,
get your hand behind your back. I'm gonna bust you up.
I'm not doing anything.
Hand behind your back.
What the fuck did I do?
I'm gonna hurt you.
What did I do?
Put your hand behind your back.
What did I do to you? You're beating my ass for no fucking reason. You don't fucking get that. You just started beating my fucking ass. I'm suing the goddamn shit out of you.
Go ahead, get in line.
What did I do to you? No, you're just taking out a whole bunch of fucking pent up anger on me. You started beating my ass out of nowhere. I was asking you what I did wrong. Can you just grab all my shit and put it in my pocket?
Yeah.
God damn. You literally just started
Dude, stop talking. I'm trying to get on the radio.
You started beating my fucking ass! You piece of shit! I fell asleep out of a reflex.
Dude, be quiet.
You started beating my ass. You got me in handcuffs and you're beating me on camera. Just grab my stuff and let's go. Call your fucking unit. Let's finish this shit up properly. Cause I'm not gonna sit here and have my fucking ass get beat by a piece of shit cup. You wanna punch me while I'm in fucking handcuffs? You motherfucker?
Okay, go ahead.
Call the fucking cops and let them know that this motherfucker beat my ass.
Do it outside.
Call the fucking cops. Let's grab my shit. Grab my fucking shit, you piece of shit. Over here beating my fucking ass in the fucking bathroom. Who the fuck are you? Leave me the fuck alone. Get the fuck off me.
4121.
Get the fuck off me.
Outside, we're code 4. I got him detained.
You started hitting me. He started punching me in the fucking face. I wasn't doing anything to him.
He's cuffed.
I wasn't doing anything to him. He started punching me in the fucking face. I got all my shit in the bathroom.
You got your ID? Or do you want me to book you as a John Doe?
It's in my fucking other pocket. God damn, why'd you have to start punching me though? I didn't do a goddamn thing to anyone. Yo, what the fuck is wrong with you? Start punching me in the fucking face for no reason in the fucking bathroom. Start saying, oh, I fell asleep out of fucking reflex. I'm trying to shit.
Rebecca, I'm gonna grab all of his stuff.
Jamie, you okay?
I'm going through
Yeah,
so
I'm
much
good.
fucking shit. Yo, this thing got some alien.
Is this you, sir?
You get my stuff off the fucking floor, too. They just dropped everywhere. Beating my fucking ass for no fucking reason. Yes, that's me.
I'm gonna bring my car
I
around.
got it right here.
Here's his
He
ID.
said I can't be doing my fucking business out here like he thinks I'm dealing drugs or some shit.
Okay.
He just took out all your fucking anger on me.
Listen to me.
I will. Not him. You need to get his ass away from me.
Yeah, he's gonna be.
Hey, listen,
I'll be right back.
Dylan, I want to talk to you about what happened.
Camera's on. So, remember the guy that was sleeping this morning and you said you need to move along?
Yeah.
He was still here when I got here this morning.
Oh, okay.
And then that's when I said I finally got him to move. I just went in there to go to the bathroom.
Camped
and
out in there?
he was in there.
Okay.
So you told him to move along this morning.
Yeah.
He didn't. I moved him along and then he came back.
Okay.
I'm calling it trespassing.
Okay.
And then I tried to talk to him and he can't talk to him. We got into a fight.
Okay.
So, I'll be back.
Oh, he was right here. That's how I can tell you got fucking
Well, I can
angry.
see maybe he had a pressure point back
No,
there.
he had his thumb in my fucking throat.
Oh.
And he was
It's a
like,
mandibular angle pressure point behind
yeah,
his
well,
ear.
why was the point of that when I was fucking trying to comply with you in the first place? You're the
You were
one who
not
came up out of
complying.
nowhere and started talking about you're gonna beat my fucking ass.
Never said that.
You literally ran up on
I
me.
got a
and
camera,
listened
dude.
to
I
me.
never said
ran
that.
up on me this morning.
Eating.
going to shut my camera off because we're going to look at it.
Oh, 2-1.